Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can refer a friend in OnePay. So start by launching the OnePay and signing into your account. And then inside the application, look for the refer a friend or invite friend section. So this is often under rewards, more, or profile. So just tap on it to see your unique referral link that you can share. So you may need to sync your phone contacts into the application to access it. Now, next is just send your referral link to people that you want to invite. So it can be text message, email, social media, WhatsApp, or Messenger. It depends on you. So when someone uses your link to sign up, the application tracks that referral for you. So just your friend must open a new Open Cash application or account using your referral link. So not just downloading the application normally. So your friend must really open a new OnePay cash account. And for the referral to actually count and earn rewards, your friend must unlock OnePay Cash Plus within the specified time frame. So that is 45 days within 45 days. So unlocking Cash Plus typically means either getting $500 plus in direct deposits in a calendar month or ending a month with $5,000 balance. So once your friend completes the requirements, you and your friend each receive referral points, like for example, 10,000 points worth of $100 cashback. So it may vary by offer. So it usually shows up in your points balance in the application within a few days. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!